What's up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways so that you can force restart and reboot your Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's jump right in. So I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can force restart and reboot your phone. This is something you may want to do if your phone is freezing up. Maybe it's getting stuck on a certain app. This is something you may want to try before doing something like a hard reset. So this is not going to erase anything on your phone. It's just going to do a soft reset. It's going to pretty much turn it off and turn it back on so that it can close all open apps. And hopefully once it turns on, it'll start working normally again. All right, so there's 3 ways that you could do this. One way you could do it is you can press and hold the power lock button right here, which on some phones is the Bixby button. But on this device, it works normally. So if you press and hold it, it will give you the power off options. Okay, here you'll have power off, restart, emergency call, medical info. So all you have to do is hit restart and your phone will restart. However, if you do not get this option, there's 2 more ways that you could do it. The second way is you can scroll down from the top right of the phone and then scroll down once again, and then you're gonna see this power icon right there. Okay, you can go ahead and select it, and once again it will take you to the power off and restart options. And then the final way you could do it, let's say you're stuck on an app and it's freezing and you want to do the restart from that point. All you got to do is press and hold volume down and the power lock button. You're going to hold them both at the same time until the screen turns off. Okay, once it does, you can let go. Let's go ahead and do that now. So volume down and power lock button at the same time. Okay, if you see the power off menu here, just continue to hold the 2 buttons. And then once the screen turns black, then you can release. As you can see, it's automatically booting back on. So the phone is restarting. And there you go. Looks like it has turned on completely here. A couple more seconds. All right, and there we go. So the phone restarted and has rebooted now, so that hopefully now it will unfreeze and you can continue using your phone normally again. All right, so that's pretty much it. That is how you do a force restart and reboot on your Samsung Galaxy F36 5G. So if this video helped you out, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps me out. And comment down below and let me know if it did. That's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. As always, peace.